how do you remove black sooty mold from crepe myrtle bark? And this is from Kim via YouTube.
Well, the best thing to do is, if it bothers you, is just go out there with a soft brush, a little soapy water like Dawn detergent, and just scrub it off. You can use, I know people that have used pressure sprayers. If you cut the pressure way down, not destroy the bark, you can do that. But you know, if you're the sooty mold telling you that you've got a problem.
Yes.
You got to address that problem, and then the sooty mold will go away.
That's right.
You've either got scale, either crepe myrtle bark scale or some other type scale, or aphids in the top of that tree.
That's right.
The honeydew is dripping down and the sooty mold's growing on it.
That's right.
So fix the insect problem, you won't have the sooty mold problem.
Good point.
Treat the problem, not the symptom.
Right.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.